You are in your hotel room. You are hungry. You call room service. They say 30 minutes. You wait. 30 minutes pass. Nothing. You wait a little more. Still nothing. You call again. No answer. Now you are hungry and frustrated. What do you say? Today, we're going to practice this situation, step by step. Hello, and welcome to Royo English. I'm Ryan. This is Easy English Shadowing. Room service is a great convenience when you travel, but sometimes it doesn't arrive. And waiting in a hotel room when you're hungry is not easy. In this situation, you need to call the front desk. You need to explain the problem clearly, and you need to stay calm. Today, you'll hear a short, real-life story about room service that didn't arrive. First, just listen. Then, we'll break the situation into practical sentences. You'll practice them step by step. And finally, you'll hear the full story again at natural speed. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say when room service doesn't come. Let's begin. First, just listen. Last month, I was staying at a hotel in a new city. After a long day, I didn't want to go out for dinner. I picked up the room phone and called room service. "Hello," I said. "I'd like to order room service, please." The person on the phone was friendly. I ordered a sandwich and some water. "It will be ready in 30 minutes," she said. "Thank you," I replied. I sat down and watched some TV. 30 minutes passed. Nothing arrived. I waited 10 more minutes. Still nothing. I called again. "Hello," I said. "I ordered room service about 40 minutes ago. It hasn't arrived yet." The person apologized. "I'm sorry about that," she said. "Let me check your order." After a moment, she came back. "Your order is on its way," she said. "It will be there in 10 minutes." "Thank you," I said. "Could you also bring some extra napkins?" "Of course," she replied. 10 minutes later, someone knocked on my door. The food was finally there. One calm phone call solved the problem. Now, let's practice the key sentences. Listen first, then speak with me. "I'd like to order room service, please." "I'd like to order room service, please." "I ordered room service about 40 minutes ago." "I ordered room service about 40 minutes ago." "It hasn't arrived yet." "It hasn't arrived yet." "Could you check my order?" "Could you check my order?" "How long will it take?" "How long will it take?" "Could you also bring some extra napkins?" "Could you also bring some extra napkins?" Thank you for your help. Now, let's listen to the full story again at natural speed. Last month, I was staying at a hotel after a long day. I didn't want to go out, so I called room service and ordered a sandwich and some water. They told me it would be ready in 30 minutes. 40 minutes passed and nothing arrived. So I called again. "Hello, I ordered room service about 40 minutes ago. It hasn't arrived yet," I said. The person apologized and checked my order. She told me it was on its way and would arrive in 10 minutes. Thank you, I said. Could you also bring some extra napkins? She said, of course. 10 minutes later, someone knocked on my door. The food was finally there. One calm phone call, and the problem was solved. Before we finish, here are 2 practical tips. Number 1. Always mention how long you have been waiting. Say, I ordered about 40 minutes ago. This gives the person important information quickly. Number 2. Stay calm on the phone. A calm voice gets faster results. Say, it hasn't arrived yet, not, where is my food? Polite and clear always works better. Next time you order room service, keep it simple. If it doesn't arrive, don't wait too long. Just call and say, I ordered room service, it hasn't arrived yet. That's enough. You don't need perfect English. You need clear English. Now it's your turn. Think about a time you waited for something that didn't arrive. Maybe room service. Maybe a delivery. Write one sentence in the comments, in English. For example, I waited 1 hour for room service at the hotel. In the next episode, we'll practice what to say when your taxi takes the wrong route. Simple sentences, real-life situations, step by step. See you in the next Easy English Shadowing episode. Goodbye.